Hey, Christy, are you sure this place was empty when we moved in?
No, I think half of this stuff was the previous owners.
Must have been. There's no way we would have collected this much junk.
It has been 20 years.
Oh my goodness.
Great crew, 2 men in a truck. If you're in the Indy area.
We got 4 men and 2 trucks.
Yeah, because we got so much junk. Johnny's here, but he doesn't get to help a whole lot.
The crew's been really efficient. It's been great to work with these guys, or, well, watch them work. No, we've been working some too. But we have had some plumbing and heating issues we've had to deal with. Our propane tank is draining rapidly, so somewhere we're either leaking or using a lot of propane. So they've been out today to pretty much prove it's not a leak. They've decided it's not a leak at this point and have decided that for whatever reason we're just using a lot of propane, either in our furnace or our water heater. Well, something we got to figure it out. There goes our refrigerator in.
I feel overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed, that's exactly how I feel.
Like we got way too much stuff to put away now.
Yeah.
It's one thing to box it all up at our house, but then now I have to figure out where it goes here. And it's different than our house, so.
Yeah, we actually have maybe a few square foot more than what we had before, but a lot less rooms.
Yeah, and so it doesn't feel like more.
It feels like less space.
Yeah.
This is making it a challenge for us.
Yeah.
But we'll figure it out.
Yard sale come spring. Maybe. Well, we're kind of in a predicament.
Yeah, we're actually in our garage.
Our new garage.
Yeah. Probably the first time we've ever had a video in front of a furnace and a water heater.
First time we've needed to have a video in front of a furnace or water heater, frankly.
Yeah.
It's been quite a few days.
Yeah, we're trying to get moved, and we get over here, and in the new house, it smells. And it smells like furnace exhaust gas.
It was bad.
It was bad.
Really bad.
And in just a few days, the furnace burned almost 50% of a tank of gas, propane.
That's
LP,
a lot.
LP gas. Yeah, that shouldn't be the case. So we found out this morning that the heat exchanger is cracked or busted or whatever it is on this furnace. So we have to get a brand new furnace.
It's bad.
I suppose the lesson here is that it always costs a lot to move to a new house.
A lot.
You know, we bought one air conditioner and furnace already this year.
For the Carmel house.
Yeah. So someone's going to get a real good one.
Yeah.
But it wasn't us.
Right.
So it's going to be almost 2 weeks before somebody can get out. We're going to look at a geothermal system. We're going to try to get one of those, and the guys who install those are booked. So we may be without warmth for quite a while. You probably get used to that hat there, Christy.
Yes, hats, sweatshirts.
Yeah.
Can I get me some Carhartts?
Couple other things we want to update you on. Just to remind you, you may not have seen the video, but the IsoTunes headsets, you get $10 off with coupon code TTWT. Go to isotunesaudio.com/TTWT and then enter the coupon code TTWT. You get $10 off only through December 2018. These things are great for hearing protection. Go check out the previous episode where we go through the details of the hearing protection provided by these IsoTunes earbuds. We really like them, and I think you will too. A couple other things. We've had a lot of comments on the pole barn.
A lot. A ton of stuff for us to read and think about, so thank you.
Yeah, we really appreciate all the comments, and I just didn't have time to respond to all of them. I did read all of them. And some of them were so detailed, I don't think we've ever seen such long and explanatory, detailed comments. We really appreciate it. We've made a lot of progress on the lighting front. I think we've chosen what kind of lighting we're going to use, and we're working feverishly. We've got a master electrician from Michigan, along with a lighting vendor that we're working with. I think we've got this all figured out. We just have to button it up, and then we'll announce what we're going to do there. We still don't know what we're going to do about insulation and the long-range plan, but we do know we need this shed lit.
I think it was overwhelmingly, well, I don't know. A lot of people want us to keep that as cold storage and build a new building, which I think I'm leaning towards, but I don't know. A lot of people said, hey, fix that one up, and had a lot of good ideas about how to fix the post, so.
Yeah, I don't think we're going to tear the building down.
No, probably not.
The Strongway Systems sleeves that we talked about in the last video, we've had some more discussions with those guys. I'm pretty impressed with that solution. There were a lot of questions in the comments about how those sleeves actually work. Well, they drive them right down in beside the post, and it doesn't matter. After they put those in, it does not matter if the post rots or if it, what happens to the post after that. Those sleeves will carry the weight of the whole building, and they will last longer than you or I will.
Well, that's a sad note. Man.
So we're leaning strongly toward using the Strongway Systems solution.
You're trying to be clever.
Yeah, I'm not very clever though, am I? But that's not nailed down yet either. There's a few more things we need to work through to make sure that it is the right solution for us. But we believe that's going to make the foundation of that building permanent, essentially, and not going to have any problems in the future. Christy, it's been really hard to focus on the Tractor Time with Tim videos in recent weeks.
It has been, because we've had to box up every single thing in our house, and we had a lot more stuff than I thought we did.
Oh my goodness, 20 years of junk.
Yeah.
It's probably not a very good combination. I'm a little bit of a hoarder, and Christy is an incredible organizer. So it makes us kind of literally a closet hoarder, because I just keep getting more stuff, and she keeps packing it away. And it doesn't appear that we have any stuff in the house.
Right.
And several trailer load and truck loads.
Yes.
And we still have a little bit of stuff at the old house.
And it was hard to find enough boxes to put everything in. And of course, when you put it in a box, you don't fill up the entire volume of the box, so you just have a lot of boxes everywhere.
So hopefully within the next few weeks here, before the end of the calendar year, we can get some of these boxes unpacked and begin to settle in and begin to focus on some of the things that we need to really be working on here at this property, and to get ready for a new year.
I think so. And get more Johnny projects in.
Yeah. Yeah, we've got several lined up to be done, but it's really been difficult for us to get to those projects and to put the kind of focus that we typically put into our videos.
Yeah. But the good thing is we have some that we've done that I just haven't had time to edit.
Yeah,
so
we've had several projects. In fact, we've got a project coming up where Johnny spent the entire day at a water park.
That's right.
So I hope you'll enjoy that. And we also have the installation video for the TKV-20. Somebody called it the Hoover.
The Hoover? It's a lawn Hoover. I like it.
So you've seen the PTO video. Now we're going to get the installation video out for you relatively quickly, hopefully.
He's looking at me. Which would you rather do, eat or have a video? What do you think? I think they'd rather have a video.
Several folks have asked for an episode where we actually show Johnny moving some of the stuff from the other house.
Oh, yeah.
I think that's a good idea. We have not yet moved Johnny and some of his attachments. We do have Casey here and Vinny here, but Johnny and all of the stuff that's in that shed have not been moved. So we got plenty of things to move yet.
Right. And when we moved Casey and Vinny, it was at night.
Yeah.
After he got home from work, so it would not have been very good video.
It has been very wet in our backyard, so we simply couldn't pull things out of the shed without just destroying our yard. As you know, we didn't have rock all the way around to the front. I'm glad we didn't at this point, because the next resident won't want that. But it does make it a challenge for us. So we'll have to wait either until it dries up or until the ground freezes before we can get Johnny and friends out of the shed.
That's kind of sad. He needs to be here with the family.
Yeah, and he will be soon. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. We just wanted to bring you up to date on where we are and what we've been doing recently. Whew, it's kind of exhausting. and it's 63 degrees in here now, which we're pretty excited about. That's the warmest it's been.
That's why I still have on the hat.
Yeah. So send us, you know, something warm, and, well, we're just kidding.
Yeah.
This is an adventure for us. We kind of enjoy that type of thing. It's not a big deal. God has blessed us more than we can imagine, and we'll deal with our furnace situation, get it all resolved. And Catriel asked when the furnace was going to be fixed, and I said, well, it'd be fixed next summer. It wouldn't cause us any issues.
That's when she's coming home then.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Check out our website, tractortimewithtim.com. Click that subscribe button and that little bell right beside it so you get notifications of all these super fun videos. And we'll see you next time on Tractor Time with Tim. I got
What?
my Band-Aid.
Your Band-Aid, yes. Well, you also typically get hurt when you start moving things around.
You said that word.
I did. That's silly that it goes off when you say that word. I hate the GoPro.
GoPro, stop recording.